Hello again. I decided I was very bored. Actually, I just made Ravage's video like 1 second ago. Bye. I forgot to mention that his legs do split. But this is not about him. This is about Transformers Universe Blaster. This is actually the Transformers Cybertron Soundwave mold. So, yeah. Now, this is a shout out to one of my friends who is letting me have this so I can do a review on it. And his name is Bradley. He's a cool classmate. Me and him are the same because we both like Transformers. It's thanks to him that you get to watch this video on this cool guy here. And I'd just like to point out, the Cyberplan key I will be using is Optimus Prime's from Transformers Cybertron. This will be the planet key I use on all Autobot Transformers with Cyber keys because I think it's better and makes more sense. Onto this guy, and yes, as you can tell in the background, I have Soundwave again. Okay. On the Blaster. Well, he has this thing and this thing under him. This video will most likely be focusing on his bombs and stuff like that, while the next one will be his transformation. Because I need something to do. Alright, so basically put the Cyberplan key in the back. And then, after you do this, watch this yellow bit. The yellow bit will fold out. I'm actually trying to show you it slowly. So it folds out, and this guy comes out. So yeah, this will be a two-parter. This will be part 1 of 2. Then you actually, I can do this. So take the key, pull it out. Wow, it's a very tight fit. So it goes in here on the back end of the jet, and just push this in. He has visible head syndrome, by the way. But I can excuse it, so I'm just going to put him off on my bed, put the key away, and focus on these. First, we shall start off, I'm just going to move him over here. First, we'll start off with the shoulder cannon. Here it is. Screw, pin socket, I think it's called, and a rotating joint in here. So what you want to do? Take this blue part, this clear blue plastic here, fold it out. Same on the other side. Now come to the under. Put your thumb here, and it'll lift out the handle. Now this blue part here is more harder. Well, apparently I made it look really easy. Thank you, thumbnail. Okay. Here is the shoulder blaster. Nothing much to it, other than the fact it kind of reminds me of a railgun. Yeah, it really does. Alright, it's spin. See this pin joint here? That's there for a reason. You wanna know why? It does this. It spins. That I cannot play with all day. It's not that fun. Yeah. Yeah, so we got the shoulder cannon. This will come back in part 2. Here we have the hand blaster. Very lots of blue plastic. You can even see detail in it. Pretty impressive on my camera, because my camera is just an iPod. Okay, let's down the transformation. See this black rod here? Oh god. Okay, here come the funny comments. Fold that out. Then what you want to do is grab this red bit here and pull on it, or just use this. Grab this black handle down here, fold that out. Go up here. Wow, I'm very cold. Oh, this is hard to do reviews in when you're cold. And apparently I can't get the last bit out. Thank you. What makes it easier is using the bottom, pushing through the bottom. Fold that out. There is a scope that you fold out from up here. But if you move the handle just a little bit, it doesn't even stay up. Look, I'm actually trying very hard to get this thing to stay up. And I just don't like it. It's not even a very good, decent scope. I mean, I don't even think Soundwave or Blaster could pull off that pose. So what I like to do is just keep it in. I have actually had to mod this. I had to cut a bit off here so that way it could close properly. Yeah. But anyway, here is Blaster's handgun. Something I do like. holes in the blaster. Do you hear that, Hasbro? There needs to be holes. That makes the gun look better and smarter. So yeah, blaster can hold this. If I want to, I can make Soundwave hold it in the back. Yeah, got some screws, so yeah. This will be appearing in part 2 again. Now onto the thing that dropped out of his chest. This is a weird looking one, ain't it? No see-through plastic. And turbines. Well... let me put it like this. I can't remember this guy's name, by the way. Fold these out. Whoops. Fold these little fins out here. These are actually kind of pointy. If I had weaker skin, I would be able to cut myself with this. That's kind of creepy. Alright, so take this black part, fold it down. Fold this out. That comes out. And so does these little fetums. Fetums! Come on, come out. Come out. I can tell you haven't been transformed. Alright, this will require my stand. My stand is a cassette box and a data disc box. Here we have... I'm just gonna go with Laserbeak. Look at the colors. I kid you not, these colors are Laserbeak colors. Black and red. The toy that originally came, the toy that came with Soundwave is actually all black, and that doesn't actually work, so I think this should have been... This coloration should have actually been the real Laserbeak colors. Yeah, these parts move here, so you can make them look less flat. Okay, again, this will appear in part 2, which I will be making tomorrow after school. Because these videos take forever to load. Come back for part 2. Please do come back, I need views. Haha.